What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Sneaker Huddle unboxing. In today's video we have the Strawberry Lemonade Air Max 1. Now if you're unfamiliar with this collection, this is actually a retro that dropped back in 2006, and that collection was called the Power Wall Collection. There was a limeade, a lemonade, and a strawberry, and I could potentially be missing one, and if I am, I apologize. But the one we're concentrating on in today's video is the Strawberry Lemonade. Now before we open this box, as you can tell, it's just your standard Nike box, nothing special. So we are going to unbox these sneakers very quickly, and we're going to get into the design details, and we're going to lay the box to the side. Now these things, as you can tell, they have a 3M accent all across the upper of the sneaker, and you should be able to see that from the camera because we have a light up here, we have an LED light right behind the camera, so this part right here should be popping, and it does go across the heel of the sneaker, so a little bit of nice 3M hit on the sneaker. Now when we do move over to this camera, starting off with the outsole of the Air Max 1 Strawberry Lemonade, it does come with a black outsole. Now it does come with a white midsole, and one very unique good touch is the yellow air unit, which that yellow air unit is of course meant to symbolize lemonade, and obviously this sneaker is strawberry lemonade, so you know when you mix strawberry and lemonade, obviously you get this pink tone, and we do have a very cool strawberry accent on the tongue of the sneaker. Very cool Nike branding with the swoosh going right in between the strawberry. Very cool in my opinion. But when you mix strawberry and lemonade, you get pink, and that's what this sneaker is meant to symbolize. Now going to the mudguard of the sneaker, obviously here we have a pink leather mudguard all the way across the toe of the sneaker, the inner portion of the sneaker, the heel of the sneaker, and obviously the outer portion of the sneaker. Now when it comes to this synthetic leather, it's not the best quality synthetic leather in the world. It's very similar to what you could perhaps receive on like an Air Jordan 1 Mid. This is very similar to what you would receive on like your Nike Air Max 90. That's going to be very comfortable on your toes whenever you are wearing this sneaker. And a really good twist going back to the lemonade here is the yellow laces that do come standard in the sneaker. And if you're not really feeling those yellow laces, they got you covered with this one because you have tons of lace options. We'll go back to this camera so you can get a better look at the lace options. But as you can tell, we have a white lace, we have a pink lace, which is kind of a slightly different tone from what actually comes on the upper of the sneaker, and then we get a lighter shade of yellow, kind of like a sail or an off-white kind of, but a little more yellow to it. And then we have the standard gold laces, which is more of like that lemonade color that you are going to see on the eyelet of the sneaker there, right here, and also on the air unit. Now getting into the insoles of these sneakers, this is one very cool thing that I think they got right. This is probably the most unique portion of the sneaker. On the left sneaker, if I can get all this out of here, I don't know why every single sneaker unboxing I don't take these out, but I have to learn from that next time around. But on the left sneaker, as you can tell here, we have strawberries and lemonades, and you can get a really good look of that right there. If you're unfamiliar with the Nike Air Max 1 in terms of sizing, I would recommend to go up half a size if you would like a little bit of room in your sneakers, but they do fit true to size. But I personally go up half a size, so I do have a little bit of room for comfort. And if you do ever try on the Air Max 1 in store, they are a little stiff, but this is one of those sneakers that the more you wear it, the more comfortable it will get. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's sneaker unboxing of the Nike Air Max 1 Strawberry Lemonade, which was a retro from the Power Wall collection back in 2006. Now that's all today for this Sneaker Huddle unboxing. Be sure to check out a video here for other unboxings on the channel, and be sure to subscribe.